I was a child, I was an avid bird lover and bird watcher, and it leads to my wildlife photography journey. I love to portray the essence of the wildlife and its habitat. The audience can see the real look of their habitat just from a single image. I'm Aparupa Dey. I'm a wildlife photographer, and it's been almost 10 years that I'm into this wildlife photography. In wildlife photography, patience is the key. It's all about the patience and dedication. You have to capture many images to get one perfect decisive moment. We particularly look for some special moments of action, and every action happens in just blink of an eye. Every second matters, and it really can make or break your image. So you have to be prepared with your camera to capture those moments precisely. When I was there shooting the wildlife with my Nikon Z6III, I really felt confident when it was in my hand. We got some very first action while shooting the kingfishers. The C120 pre-release capture did a great job there. It makes the wildlife photographer's life so easy. Until you use it, you cannot even imagine what you have missed in the first place. I got to see each frame, each position of its wing, and they are so beautiful that I have never seen before. I could capture even before I pressed the shutter. It's a game changer. I'm really impressed with the low-light performance of the new Nikon Z6III. It just blew my mind how precisely it can detect a bird or animal even after dark. The image quality was very good, crisp, and there was no such visible noise. Even in one case, the ISO was 12,800. But still, the quality of the image was really good and sharp. Shooting the full HD 240p really helped me to study some behavior. There are lots of red-crested poachers, and when they were taking off, they were not just taking off from the water directly. They were just running, splashing the water all around. It shows every single details in slow-mo. I put this camera really low, and I can really trust Nikon cameras. I primarily use two different lenses. One is 600mm f6.3 and the other one is 180-600mm. For 180-600mm, because this is a very flexible lens, I used it for shooting black bugs, and sometimes I prefer capturing them with this habitat. My motivation and inspiration is the wildlife and nature itself, because of the rawness, the untamed beauty, and each time you will visit the same place, you will definitely get some completely different photos. Good wildlife image is when audience see an image, they can feel it. If at least one person be compassionate towards the wildlife after seeing my images, I think this is the impact I want.